Hey guys, I'm going to take you along on my journey here of Rustoleum tub and tile refinishing kit. I've watched a bunch of videos myself, so I have mixed feelings about what I'm getting ready to do. But I'm in the bathroom that I'm going to use it on. I'm not using it on the tub. The tub is not perfect, but it's okay. I'm only using it on the tile around it. I'm just looking for a temporary fix. I only need this to last a year or two before we do a full remodel on the bathroom. I'm not sure how far it's going to go. If I have enough left over, I'm going to do the countertop, which you can't see, but it's the same tile as what's on the tub. I have not sanded down either, so I still need to sand down the tub. Sorry, the same tub. I still need to sand down the tub surround, and that'll give this a little bit of grip to stick to. So what's in the box are 2 cans, and I'm going to be mixing the 2 cans together. Once they're mixed, I only have 6 hours until it's not good anymore. So I'm going to put 1 coat on, wait an hour, put the 2nd coat on. That's when I'll decide if I have enough to continue on to the countertops. I got a lot on the line here. My husband and I are remodeling an entire house. This bathroom is intended to be the last room that we remodel. Painting the tile on the wall. I don't know if it's technically paint, but refinishing the surface of the tile on the wall with something that looks like paint is really only meant to be a temporary fix, but it's hopefully going to last us for a year or 2. So if it doesn't work out, this will end up needing to be one of the first things that we do. We're getting ready to move in. Actually, we've been working on it. We've got a couple of the necessary rooms ready for us to move in. I am, of course, going to open the window so we can ventilate. This does go a little bit against what I believe in. I do not like using strong chemicals. We use mostly natural cleaning stuff at home. So I have heard and read that this is very stinky. I'm going to wear a mask, open the window. I'm going to open some other windows in the house. Fortunately, I have a nice big window in here, so that's good, but I'm still not really excited for that. So, but I know it's coming, so I'm prepared for it. So anyways, watch along. Fingers crossed that this works out and isn't a total disaster. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, just a couple things I forgot to mention. One is you want to get the caulk off of the tub. For whatever reason, mine didn't have any already. It should have, but it didn't. So I didn't have to do that. Secondly, on my tub, I have some, I'm going to keep calling it tub. I just made the shower surround here. I have some cracking, and I already, a few days ago, took, and I don't remember what it was called, but it's some sort of adhesive from Gorilla Glue that's meant for ceramic tile. It's clear, and it can be painted, so I put that on the cracks just to keep water from seeping through them and not having to do anything to it after the tub and tile refinish has been completed. So anyways, just want to give you a few updates. Everything's taped off. Sorry for this being in the way. It's like rusted on. I'm going to need some help getting it off, but I can't delay getting this done. So here we go. tub and tile surround. I didn't do the tub, I just did the tile surround. And I personally think it turned out pretty good. A few tips that I'll give you. One is I did apply some sort of adhesive onto the cracks, and that looks terrible. You can see it. This is just a temporary solution for us, so I'm not too worried about it, but if it were a more permanent solution, doesn't look great. Definitely you need a heavy duty mask. You may have noticed that I switched masks halfway through. This stuff is super strong. I had a headache all night from it, so just kind of be prepared for that. And I had enough to do all of the tile around the bathtub here, and I ended up having plenty to do the countertop as well. The countertop's not huge, but there was plenty. I ended up doing a third coat on this, which really made the difference. First coat, I was like, super light, I wasn't sure it was going to work out. Second coat was better. Third coat is where it really started to come together. And then I still had more left over, so I just kept going on that third coat until I used up the entire can. I'll put some pictures on here. Anyways, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.